Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can only profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Monday, March the 14th, I've got 6 press releases for you. We're talking Canada, US, China, financial results, drill results. We've got it all, so stay with me. We're going to move fast. First up, Yellowhead Mining. I love this press release. They announced a $20 million Canadian bought deal private placement. This is a syndicate of underwriters being led by Canaccord. They're going to buy 13,800,000 units at $1.45 per unit for gross proceeds of just over $20 million. That tells me great things whenever you have a syndicate doing a guaranteed buyout purchase. Tells me that something's going right at the company. They've done their due diligence there, and they know they can sell it. Yellowhead Mining has a large copper, gold, silver project located in south central British Columbia. Closed on Friday, $1.46. I like that because the bought deal is being done at $1.45, so you can basically get in at the same price as everybody else. 52-week trading range, 80 cents on the low, 205 on the high. So essentially, they're sitting dead smack in the middle. They're going to use the money to advance the company's Harper Creek project in British Columbia. So congratulations to Ronald Hanford and his team over Yellowhead Mining. Next up, WGI Heavy Minerals, TSX Big Board, WG. Revenues here. They announced sales growth of 18.2% year over year, and increase in income of 136% for the fourth quarter 2010. They put out their full year numbers as well. 4.5 cents per share in earnings translates to just over $1 million. That compares to 3.5 cents per share and about $890,000 last year. That's significant because the company closed on Friday at 45 cents. So you're essentially buying a company here at about 10 times earnings. Not a bad number given the fact that they're actually increasing those numbers. For the fourth quarter, they generated 1.3 cents per share. So if you extrapolate that out, they may crack 5 cents for the year. That leads to more growth. That compares just half a cent per share in 2009. So again, a good harbinger of where they're going. Highest full year revenue in history was recorded in 2010. That's always a great sign. They're just over $34 million, and it continues the company's success of year-over-year revenue growth for the last 5 years. You put all that together, plus the fact that it's got a $10.5 million market cap, looks like, that makes it compelling to me. You've got to do your own due diligence. 45-cent close on Friday, dead smack in the middle of its 52-week trading range, 39.5 on the low, 54 on the high. This company locates, produces, and markets industrial minerals and related products. So congratulations to Greg Emerson and his team. Next up, Confederation Minerals, TSX Venture, CFM. We got some drill results here. They announced that they intersected multiple high-grade gold zones in early drill results. This is from the Newman Todd Gold Project in Red Lake. Some of the highlight numbers that they've given us: 3 meters, 42.84 grams per ton of gold, including 1 meter, 122 grams per ton of gold. These are early drill core assay results from the first 2 holes of the 9,000-meter diamond drill program. Confederation Minerals, just so you know, can earn a 50% interest on this project by spending $5 million over the next 3 years. They can also earn an additional 20% by coming up with a preliminary economic assessment within 6 years. They're partnered there, Red Star Gold, who should be piggybacking off this without having to spend any money. So take a look at their stock as well. RGC, great drill results. I gave you the headline numbers. Go in there and take a look at these. Confederation Minerals, 97-cent close on Friday. Shareholders got to be happy. 52-week high, 97 cents. Low, 7 cents. Market cap, $15 million. So there may be room to grow. But in the meantime, great job there by the company. Next up, coming out of China, this is APWR. Trades under APWR on the NASDAQ. They announced that they won a $30.5 million contract to build a biomass power plant in China. This company is a distributor of power generation systems and a manufacturer of wind turbines. They're developing a biomass power plant consisting of 2 15-megawatt power generation units, expect to begin shortly and to be completed by mid-2012. Bang, bang, right on the top line. They also say that they operate one of the largest wind turbine manufacturing facilities in China. They closed Friday $491. 52-week high, 1333. 52-week low, 455. So they're right there at the low. You're asking why? A lot of babies being thrown out the bathwater in China. There are some transparency concerns there. With this kind of news, APWR may be one of those companies. Be careful. Do your own due diligence because they may have accounting issues. You don't know. But if everything's on the up and up, and I think most of these companies are on the up and up, they're just being taken advantage by opportunistic short sellers. this may be an unbelievable buying opportunity. Take the time, do your due diligence. Next up, Dewey Electronics. They trade on the OTC under DEWY. They announced they award a $1.1 million subcontract to integrate fuel cell power systems. Looks like it's a 3-year subcontract to integrate 10 kilowatt auxiliary power units for military ground combat vehicles. It was awarded by the U.S. Army's Tank Automotive Research Department to Altex Technologies, who subcontract this out to Dewey Electronics. But a great contract there. Closed Friday, $250, $297 on the 52-week high, $1.75 on the low. I like the fuel cell power technology, fuel cell power angle there. And finally, not all that glitters is gold. Entertainment Media, INT, on the Venture Exchange announced that their real-time translator has now delivered over 100 million minutes of user engagement since its launch in July of 2010. Take from me, that's an astronomical number. The company says they're accelerating faster than Facebook and Google Gmail, passing each of those companies 2 years of progress in less than 9 months. Basically, what their translator called Ortspo does is allows users to communicate in real time in over 50 languages on all the popular social media platforms, including Facebook, including Twitter, and a whole bunch of other ones. They also announced that they're preparing to launch a mobile and portable computing versions by end of Q2 2011. That means people on their mobile phones, smartphones, and tablets are going to be able to use real-time translation services as well. Gotta like that. Finally, numbers over the past week. 9.98 million, I'm going to call it 10 million minutes of user engagement, 6.2 million page views, 2.8 million online sessions from over 2 million unique users. Folks, that's over the past week. I would die to have those kind of numbers on AGORACOM in a week. We've got great numbers, but that's simply out of this world. Company closed on Friday, 47 cents, 8 cents on the low, 96 on the 52-week high, so they're pretty much sitting dead smack in the middle of their 52-week trading range. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity, but pretty good quantity today. If you look for more great small cap resources news, you watch this on Global Investor. Then look below me or to the left of me to discover the companies we've covered over the past few days. Otherwise, get yourself to the front page of AGORACOM, watch a show, take a look at the best press releases, get into our marketplace to discover your next great small cap company. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.